Hello, I'm Lorna Bateman. I'm going to be showing you how to do a silk ribbon rose. Silk ribbon is a lovely form of embroidery for me, simply because it's finished in half the amount of time than any other form of traditional embroidery with using stranded cottons. This little rose, simply because it is quick and easy and it has the wow factor and everybody's impressed when they're finished. And you can vary the length and achieve different effects. It forms the basis for a lot, if not many, of the flowers. Here I have used it to form the petals of the sunflower. I've used they're the little French knots. In fact, having watched me, you could complete this little design, because you've watched me do a French knot, you've watched me do the roses, you've watched me do a little bud,